wow, wow, ow, 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 ow. I buy a new car for the bitch, for real. I tear down the mall with the bitch, for real. You can't even talk to the bitch, nah. She fucking with boss.
Alright, you guys, let's get right into this video. So as you see, I have everything set up, the wig cap, and I already have the closure pinned down. So as you can see now, I am starting to glue all the tracks down, and I am cutting them. It's just easier to apply it, and I really kind of didn't even know a way to even flip it over. I mean, if you're gonna sew the wig, then go ahead. I was just kind of being lazy, so I just want to quickly make the wig, so I just hot glued the tracks. But I actually do have to tell you guys that the hot glue kind of doesn't last very well. Like, I really had to be careful without, you know, tugging the hair if I'm brushing it out and everything. And then like the glue was kind of getting everywhere. The only good part about it is like you can, when the glue is dried, you can definitely, you know, peel it off of the track without damaging the hair or the track itself. I think that's the only downside is it just doesn't stay very long with all the tucking and styling and everything else. But you can always glue it back though. It's just a quicker method. So yeah, I'm just cutting them piece by piece and just gluing them all down. You can say I am finished with gluing all the tracks down, so I'm just going to wet it really quickly, just to kind of flatten it out a little bit. It was just kind of puffy. So what I decided to do here is actually sew down the closure. I didn't want to glue the closure down because I just knew it wasn't going to last, so I just went ahead and sewed that. And as you can see, I'm just now customizing the lace and creating my baby hairs and just plucking. So yeah, this is the wig, basically final. I didn't bleach the knots because I didn't have any bleach with me, but I will put like foundation on and everything. But yeah, so what I'm going to do is show you guys a few styles that I was just kind of trying. So what I'm going to now do is wet the hair. It just helps me manage the hair, kind of flatten it out and really get to like mold it, I would say. So this is basically like the middle part. I didn't want to pluck inside of the middle part yet because I just knew I wanted to do different styles. I didn't want to permanently put a middle part in the hair. So now I'm going to show you like a side part. Doing the, you know, what they call it, half up half down, but it's really not a half up half down. It's kind of just like a bun on top of my head. I really don't even know the exact name of that because it's really not a half up half down, but we just gonna call it that for now. But I am just putting it into a little bitty knot, then lay the baby hairs, and that's another style. So yeah, you guys, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna show you, how the lace is looking after I put the foundation on. I put concealer. The concealer that I wear, I put on the lace. And yeah, that is pretty much the end of the video, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed this wig that I created, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe as well. I'll see you guys in my next one.